Hello everyone, I have a new tool for you that is the ring path selection. It will select ring edges between the active edge and the one picked by the mouse. It works similarly to the shortest path selection that is natively in Blender. And however, this will select the ring edges, and this tool is an asset, so to install it you need to set up the folder containing the blend file as asset library in the preferences, and then in the edit mode you will find it in unassigned tools over there at the top, where you can assign a shortcut to it. And how this tool works is that it will start from the active edge, so we can also continue the selection. And then there are some additional settings, so there is also the step setting, so we can skip the edges in the ring path selection. And then there is the start from mode, so by default it starts from the active. And then if we select the ring path, we can change this to selection, so it will expand to the neighboring loops. And then for those we also have the step settings. And this tool can be handy for the optimization, so also I added the collapse edges. So if we preview those collapsed edges with the UVs underneath, you will see that when we use this option, the UVs are merged also and the seams stay untouched. So this is how this tool works. It will be available for free. However, if you choose to leave a tip, you will additionally get it in the form of a modifier, where we can see from the inside how this tool works. So over here we have the modifier with the same settings, and then if we go into the GeoNode setup, we can see the nodes laid out with some descriptions, and there with Ctrl+Shift we can preview the steps of this modifier. And in the free version the GeoNode setup will be disguised, and this modifier works a bit differently. And over here we use this mesh for the selection, so with the start object we are setting the start of the selection, and then with the end we can set how far we want the ring path selection to go. And then in the modifier we have also the start from mode, so then we have the steps, we can also collapse the edges. And then if we take a look at the GeoNode setup, there are some key parts to this code. So over here we have the group that creates the polyloop ID that is used for the ring path selection. So over here you can see that this mesh is changed to the polyloop edges, and then this mesh is used to create the deselection that then changes into the ring path selection. And then if we use the collapse edges option, we can also see how it works with the GeoNodes setup. So over here you can see that once we collapse the edges, the UVs are changed like that. However, we can fix it with this group so the UVs are merged properly. So there you have it. This is the tip version. Both versions are fully featured. So this is a ring path selection. I believe it brings a functionality that I was actually always missing when using Blender for modeling or for some optimization. And just a final reminder that this is an asset. So to set it up, you just need to go to the preferences, and over there in the file paths, set the folder containing the blend file as your asset library. So I hope you find this tool useful. You can get it on Gumroad and on Superhive. Thank you for watching.